Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to upload photos on your Shutterfly accounts. To upload photos on your Shutterfly accounts, first click on browser, go to shutterfly.com. Click on sign in button shown on the top right side of your screen. Enter your email, password. Click on sign in button. If you have forgot your password, click on forgot password and follow the instruction. To upload photos on your Shutterfly account, click on my photos. If you want to select file, click on select file. If you want to select folders, click on select folders. Select the photos, click on open. It may take some time to upload. Now your photo has been successfully uploaded. To add to your album, click on add to album. Give your album a name, click on create button. Now your photo has been successfully uploaded. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.